All right, as you can see here, I took a rejection from the institutional ladder. I got up really early. This is a really early trade. And I just went for the trade. Everything lined up. We were bearish on trade shield. Order flow was telling me short. Everything was good. So I just took the short and I targeted the next ladder. And here you go. It's $807 trade. The next trades that we got into, we got US session. We got kind of like chopped out a little bit at the open. It's kind of annoying. And then we finally, I was bearish. I'm like, we're trade shield's bearish. I'm bearish. Everything's bearish. We're below the zones, as you can see right here. And I refused to buy, and it paid out, because if you check out this trade, it actually dumps, and I trail it out right at the edge, and I believe it actually did go down and finish. I'm not sure. I'd have to go look again, but I ended up having it was like a $1,500 day. There's the P&L down there at the bottom left. If you're interested in joining us, just go to breakouthunter.com and you can join us in our Discord. The live streams on social media, they're delayed. We do a lot of really fast scalping, and it's just, they're, even with low latency, it's still like over a minute delayed. So anyways, come to our Discord. The invite is in the description or in the comment below. All right, so I hope you enjoy the rest of the trade.